So good day everyone. I am John Riley Timumawat and I'm here to present to you what is T lymphocytes, its kinds, and the functions. T lymphocytes. T cells are a type of white blood cells called lymphocytes. They're also called T lymphocytes. Lymphocytes play an essential role in your immune system. Your immune system fights infection causing pathogens, viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites, and harmful cells like cancer cells. Your lymphocytes include T cells and B cells. Both types are part of your body's defense. B cells make proteins called antibodies to fight pathogens. T cell protect you by destroying harmful pathogens and by sending signals that help control your immune system respond to threats. Here are the two main type of T cells. The first type is cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells are also called CD8 plus cells because they have a CD8 receptor on their membranes. These cells get their names from cyto, which means cell, and toxic, which means poisonous or harmful. Cytotoxic T cell kills cells infected with virus and bacteria, and they also destroy tumor cells. The second part is helper T cells, or the opposite of cytotoxic T cells. Helper T cells are also called CD4 positive cells because they have a CD4 receptor on their membranes. Unlike cytotoxic T cells, helper T cells don't kill cells directly. Instead, they send signals that tell other cells in your immune system how to coordinate an attack and to invaders. Helper T cells signal cytotoxic T cell and another type of white blood cells called a macrophage. The third is regulatory T cells. Although they're not considered one of the main T cells types, regulatory T cells or suppressor cells play an essential role in your immune system. These cells reduce the activity of other T cells when necessary. They can prevent T cells from attacking your body's health cells. This is their functions. What do T cells do? T cells are like key fighters in what's known as your adaptive immune system. Think of your adaptive immune system as a specialized smart system that constantly monitoring for threats. Once it detects an intruder, your adaptive immune system builds a customized defense to fight it. How do T cells work in the immune system? First, a cell called an antigen presenting cell or APC locates evidence of the intruder and attaches it to a structure called major histocompatibility complex or MHC. This step is important because T cells can recognize evidence of an intruder unless it's attached to MHC. The T cell binds to the MHC. Here are the two types of MHC. One fits each type of T cell. The CD8 receptor on a cytotoxic T cell can only bind to MHC1. The CD4 receptor on a helper T cell can only bind to MHC2. Once the T cell binds with all the matching parts, it activates The binding is important because it ensures that the T cell is the right one to fight the intruder. Where are the T cells located? Here are three: bone marrow, thymus, lymph tissues, and bloodstream. In bone marrow, T cells start in the spongy tissue inside your bone called marrow. Like all blood cells, they start as hematopoietic stem cells. These cells have the potential to develop into any type of blood cell. The next is thymus. T cell move to an organ called your thymus, located in your upper mid-chest. To mature, at this age, the immature T cells are called thymocytes. Your thymus is like boot camp for T cells. Once inside, T cells go through testing to be sure they can bind correctly to MHC and won't attack your body healthy cells. They also receive the right receptor, either CD4 or helper T cells, or CD8 or cytotoxic T cells. Only T cells that pass all these tests go out into your body. For the last one, lymph tissues and bloodstream, fully mature T cells travel to tissue and organs in your lymph system. Unlike your spleen, tonsils, and lymph nodes, they may also circulate in your bloodstream. T cells remain on standby in your body until you need them to protect you. That is all. Thank you very much.